This is the recipe for soy sauce pork ribs. Here's a video script for making Korean soy glazed pork ribs stew, known as ganjang dwaeji galbijjim. This savory and slightly sweet dish is a delightful Korean favorite. Let's get started. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to make a mouth-watering Korean dish ganjang dwaeji galbijjim, which is a soy-glazed pork rib stew. It's a delightful and savory dish that's loved by many in Korea. Let's dive into the recipe and learn how to make it at home. Ingredients. Before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 2 pounds of pork ribs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1 carrot, cut into rounds. 1 potato, cut into chunks. 2 to 3 shiitake mushrooms, sliced. 1 small zucchini, sliced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 14 cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 cups of water. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for sautéing. Cooking steps. Step 1. Prepare the ribs. Start by cutting the pork ribs into bite-sized pieces. You can ask your butcher to do this for you. Rinse them under cold water and drain. Step 2. Saute the vegetables. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant. Then, add the sliced onions, carrots, potatoes, shiitake mushrooms, and zucchini. Saute for a few minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Step 3. Add the ribs. Now, add the bite-sized pork ribs to the pot. Saute them until they're lightly browned on all sides. Step 4. Make the sauce. In a separate bowl, mix together the soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, minced ginger, and black pepper. Once it's well combined, pour it over the sautéed ingredients in the pot. Step 5. Simmer. Add 2 cups of water to the pot, ensuring all the ingredients are covered. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. The meat should be tender, and the sauce should be thickened and flavorful. Step 6. Serve. Your ganjang dwaeji galbijjim is now ready to be served. It's best enjoyed hot, and you can garnish it with some fresh green onions or sesame seeds for extra flavor. Conclusion. And there you have it, a delicious pot of ganjang dwaeji galbijjim, a soy-glazed pork rib stew that's savory and slightly sweet. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this wonderful Korean dish at home. That wraps up our video on making Korean soy-glazed pork rib stew. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!